So the video I chose is called A Failure to Communicate. So in the case of this video, the sender is wearing a facial covering and the receiver is deaf, which causes a disruption in communication due to a misunderstanding. The sender thought she was being ignored when she actually couldn't be heard by the receiver because the receiver is deaf. The receiver had a device, which I would describe as a channel because it was a form of a message delivery system. The sender wanted to know or understand how to get to her destination of Happy Valley, which is a version of thought delivery, because she wanted to understand something that she didn't and she couldn't figure it out. So that's a form of thought delivery. The girl was encoding that she was shy towards the woman, while the girl was decoding that the woman was annoyed that they missed the train. The woman was seeping with the noise of irritation. And by that I mean noise can be a feeling. So when I thought of feeling in the video, the lady just looked like she was very annoyed and agitated or irritated, so I just thought that was a really good way to describe it. The context of the situation was very awkward for the girl because they did miss the train. They did end up having to wait an extra hour at the end of the video because the train was delayed. So not only did they miss the train, but they had to wait another hour. And this lady who was deaf, she was trying to be nice. She was trying to help her. So I can see where she would be agitated. But the girl just felt very awkward, and I believe that was the context. Thank you for listening. I hope you guys had a great day. Bye.